Everybody, welcome back to another video. Now today is a little bit different and I can't believe I'm about to say this, but I have hit my 500 subscriber target and I am absolutely over the moon with you guys who've subscribed, who watch, who comment, and I can't believe it. So it is time for me to do the 500 sub giveaway. So when I originally started my channel, and sorry about the view, but I do need to show you the goodie box. When I started my channel, I did show a giveaway video of what was going to be in, and over time I've added to it. So I did say it was for both US and UK, which it still is. So it's international, sorry, and UK. Now obviously I can't ship gels to the US, so I will replace. So we'll go through and then I'll explain. So first of all, I had in a 20 colour Beetle gel polish kit, and it is the name Summer Paradise. So that is going to be in the giveaway, along with a Beetles poly gel kit, which has everything in there. The brand new, still sealed. Also a brand new practice hand. There is a UV lamp. Now I do have a couple of e-nail couture lamps now, so you might be able to choose which lamp you want. I'll explain that in a bit. So then there's some UV gloves. There is a Melody Susie hand drill, and I'm not sure out of all of this what else is going to be in. I don't want to show you everything. So there's some Melody Susie bits which will come with the file. I've got tips in here. I've got some of the Mortar palettes. I just have a random spare hand. I've got base gels. I have everything in for ideal for somebody with a starter kit. So these will definitely be in what's on the floor here, and then there'll be just whatever I can fit in a box. So I don't want to show you everything. So my plan is, if it's a UK winner, I'll be able to send the poly gel and the gels. If it's international, I will substitute the gels and the poly gel with more goodies that I can send to you guys. So all I ask for you to do is comment, enter me either UK or international, and put a blue heart in the comments as well, just because that's my favorite color. And this goodie box here, so the gels, everything, the nail file, the lamp. So if US wins, I'll switch this lamp out for an e-nail couture lamp, and also I'll be able to send this drill, or I do have an e-nail couture drill. So you might get a choice. But then there's all these goodies in here. I've got some stickers and things that I still need to add in. So it's open to everybody. Like I say, please just comment. Anybody who entered the giveaway on my very first video, I will still take your names from that video and you'll still be included. So if you don't happen to see this video, or you haven't seen the first one, just comment on this one. But I will go through and check my very first video that I published with the giveaway on, and get the names off there as well. So I'm planning on drawing the giveaway on Saturday. Yeah, so I'll draw it on Saturday because I've already gone past the 500, and yeah, I just want somebody to win it now. So thank you very much everybody who is subscribing, who's watching. All I ask is that you comment, either enter me UK, enter me international with a blue heart, and you also need to be publicly subscribed to my channel so that I can check that you are a subscriber, as it is a 500 subscriber giveaway. And that's all, guys. It was just a quick video. Any questions about the giveaway, anything like that, just leave them in the comments. And I hope you guys enter, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.